चलो अब हम जिस पे भी गुस्सा आ रहा है ना लाइफ में उसको Hi guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning first of all. Good morning from London. I am back in London and I came back from the US about 4 days ago, and I haven't met my friends in London since the last whatever, like 10-12 days I've been away. Here the scene is a little different from India because यहाँ पे family नहीं है, so your friends become your family. So Muskan is literally like a sister to me. So she's going to be coming over. Actually we're meeting out somewhere, and then उसके बाद we are going grocery shopping. And in the evening we had plans to do like this girls' night, girls' party kind of a thing. So we decided we'll cook something together. Then we watch Netflix. So plan to ये, but let's see how that goes. I need to go grocery shopping because I have literally nothing in my fridge right now, and thoda bahut hai, but for the party it's not enough. Right now I'm going to go get ready, and then we're going to go to Covent Garden. There's this market there called Seven Dials Market, wherein there's a lot to eat, so I'm excited. Let's see how that goes. For now I want to go wash my hair because बहुत oily हो रहे हैं मेरे बाल. Now, having spent hours researching about beauty hacks, learning what's the best serum to use, how to get the perfect winged eyeliner, how to tame frizzy hair, I feel like we often forget that caring for our teeth is so important for the best smile. But today, I will share with you the absolute game changer in the oral beauty space. It is my holy grail. I have been using Colgate Visible White O2. It uses breakthrough patented active oxygen based tooth whitening technology and gives a warming effect inside the mouth with the release of a gentle wave of ultra-fine whitening foam active oxygen. Active oxygen is used in a variety of beauty products, guys. Millions of active oxygen bubbles get absorbed into your enamel and whiten your teeth, not only on the surface but also from inside out. I personally love the aromatic menthol flavor, but they also have another one called Peppermint Sparkle, which I'm really excited to try out. Here is the packaging. Just look at it, guys. Isn't this super sleek and classy? Plus, it's vegan and gluten-free and comes in a completely recyclable tube. This means it's good for you and the planet. This has helped me smile out loud for every day and any occasion. And what's amazing is you can start seeing results in 3 days. How cool is that, guys? Hi guys, so this is my outfit. I'm wearing a sweatshirt, sweatpants, nothing too fancy. I'm just gonna dry up my hair a little bit and then I'll head out. And I will then see you once I'm with Muskan in the market.
पर इनके अलग स्टॉल्स होते हैं.
ये क्या है? मुंबई चाट्स.
Let's see.
Eating mango mochi. I like the folks.
Super cute. What are we getting?
We're getting a tuna sweet corn sandwich, and we get pizzas and pastas and chips and coke and junk.
Yumsies.
Ooh. अच्छा सुन एक और sandwich ले.
What is the second sandwich?
I think we can take cheese and onion. Then we can also take. Sorry, I go overboard with this all the time. Broccoli.
I think I'm good.
ये healthy है और ये not so healthy है, तो ये balance जाता है. One pepper on it.
Whatever you have, girl.
And we will take pyaz. Do you want pyaz for
No, I'm good.
150 रुपए?
Spicy. She didn't even take a second to decide.
Done.
Yay!
So we're going home. And we're gonna heat up the food in the oven.
Are you wearing black inside? For some reason we're twinning inside out.
Oh yes. So we'll be heating up the food, having our girls' night. Bye.
People see Sana doing majdoori.
Guys, if you think life is fun,
Let her do majdoori. Like the first thing she's like, oh my god, laundry. And she's like, oh my god,
तो
बर्तन.
बर्तन ही साफ किए तो खाना किसने धोंगे? हमने अपने गेस्ट को भी लगा दिया है. हमारी गर्ल्स ने की है जो मैंने अनिल की ली. Guys, Muskan is chopping onions. Girls' night. Clickbait भी नहीं है ये तो असली में guys disaster on girls' night. And we put in Pav Bhaji. So we're doing like this weird cuisine.
See, there is no cuisine. We're just very, very hungry girls.
So we're doing everything we possibly can. Chips, Pav Bhaji, pizza, pasta.
It's basically an unlimited brunch, lunch,
Yes.
dinner, what I
Come
don't know.
eat with us. चलो अब हम जिस पे भी गुस्सा आ रहा है ना लाइफ में उसको
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
I'm trying to do Master Chef वाली production value. मैं ऐसे फिल्म कर रही हूँ कि बिल्कुल ऐसे close up cinematic shots है. आ नहीं रहे लेकिन थोड़ा. Pav Bhaji is ready. Yay! Amazing. We have one dish prepared.
Guys, Sana made the best Pav Bhaji. I'm not even kidding. Chef Sana Grover.
Our pasta is ready, my darling.
She's in a cooking mode today. Woohoo!
$200 here and 12 minutes here. Oh. Till the time we get the pizza ready, we're going to be making pasta.
Yes.
जो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आता है, मतलब मैं कर लेती हूँ but
Master Chef Sana.
welcome to Sana's cooking channel.
No, it's Master Chef Sana.
Okay, Master Chef Sana. Welcome to Master Chef Sana's cooking.
Oh my god.
So we're using garlic.
क्या बात है.
अब देखो.
Chili.
Good?
Yay! Woo!
Guys, welcome to Master Chef Sana's.
Ready to eat stuff.
This nobody gets to know.
No, this
Okay.
is not ready to eat. We're making this.
Pasta we're doing from scratch, huh?
Yeah.
Guys, please इस धूप पे मत जाओ. It is 6:30 in the evening and the sun is now setting at around 8:39. तो थोड़ा धूप पे मत जाना. That's it, guys. Now we'll be having our girls' night. We're watching Friends. My food, Muskan is getting her food right there, and I'm having lemon iced tea. Okay.
Oh, sorry, did I get you?
Alright guys, that was our girls' night, our party. अब मेरे को बर्तन धोने हैं, so I will do that, and then I will do my skincare, my night routine, and just light a candle and everything. Our थोड़ा room is also kind of spick and span. I cleaned it up. I'm then going to be planning my stuff for tomorrow. कि मुझे क्या क्या करना है, like my to-do list and everything. Usually I'm very excited for this part of the day because it keeps me on track, keeps me on top of things, which is I mean always a good thing to do. So anyway, for now, dishes. Alright guys, so I've changed into my PJs. I'm wearing my absolute favorite PJs. If you guys haven't watched my summer clothing haul, I'll leave a link right here, so make sure you have a look. Now I'll be doing my night routine. So I usually do my skincare, brush my teeth, and I have been using the Colgate Visible White O2 as I told you guys. It is a game changer. I'll leave a link down below, so make sure you have a look. Like a good girl, I brush my teeth twice, once in the morning, once at night, and I would highly recommend aap bhi wo cheez karo, you do the same. Colgate Visible White O2 has become an integral part of my night routine in the last few weeks. If you want to smile out loud, make sure you check the link in the description box below. If you all are planning like a party with your friends or a get together of sorts, or if you just want to, call over your friends and have a nice day, I hope this video gave you some kind of inspiration on what you can do, just some ideas. In our everyday lives, we get so busy that sometimes we overlook this stuff, and we just don't take out that kind of time to try thoda sa, maybe once a week, twice a week, to kind of spend quality time with your friends, with your family. And that's about it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this mini vlog of our girls' night. If you enjoyed, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know what other videos you want to watch. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel because that always helps. I will be doing more of haul videos, vlog videos, so I would love for you to join the family. One last thing before I leave, I do go live on Instagram very often and my profile is right here on the screen, so make sure you come join us over there as well. I post a lot of styling reels, so again, I would love if you guys joined us over there, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, goodbye.